Alright, time for some more spray paint art. Let's get it. Circle our planet. Boom. Lay down some of that green. Lay down a little bit of pink as well. And a little bit of purple. Purple. Grab some magazine. Swipe. Swipe. Black for the edge. Like so. Okay. Fill in the rest of the painting. A little bit of orange for the sky. A little bit of purple. A little bit of avocado. And a little bit more black now. Find out a little bit of highlight. Let's flick some stars on. Now we're gonna add the water. Let's add some blue in the middle. Light blue. Medium blue. The edges. And dark blue to the sides. Cover it with some white. Like that. Now we swipe. There we go, got the planet. We're gonna add some clouds now. Far to the horizon here. Just like that. Gonna add just a little bit of black to the edges here, just a little bit. Darken that up some. Now to sign it. There we go. Nice.